It's that time of year where the birds are singing, the sun is shining, and everything just seems wonderful. That's when flowers come out, and that's no different indoors. So it's very important that the following steps must be taken in spring with a healthy, happy, and mature plant that is already in an ideal location with plenty of good light. In this video, I am using the Hoya Carnosa compactor, but this can apply to a lot of different Hoyas. The first step is drought, and I know that sounds really intense, but Hoyas do flower when they're exposed to stress. But we're not going to kill our plants, and it's very important that you stop this before the leaves start to yellow. What you want to achieve is puckered leaves that are kind of wrinkly. I achieved this in about a month, but your time may vary. Then you rehydrate your plant. So you flush it through with lots of really good plain water, and this allows the soil to be saturated after so long. Immediately after, you fertilize. You reduce the dosage in the bottle by half, and the feed that I use is high in potassium, which is a really important nutrient for flowering plants. And I use a liquid fertilizer that I mix with water. I water thoroughly again, and I let it sit in the water for about an hour so they can get a good drink after being in drought for so long. Then it's just normalizing the plant. So I go back to my regular water schedule and I fertilize once a month. And just pay attention because this is about the time where you start to notice buds. So the buds have grown and bloomed, and if you've had a Hoya Carnosa bloom, comment below what you think the blooms smell like. Every single time it blooms, I gather my friends, pre-COVID, and I make them smell it. I'm like, what do you think it smells like? But anyway, that's kind of a tangent. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you like it, give it a like, and if you want to see more content from me, please subscribe. Have a wonderful day. I hope you and your plants grow well.